Parisian Daiquiri, today in the Tiki Bunker. I'm your author and barman Rob, here at the heart of the Tiki universe in Missoula, Montana. There are often two problems with a lot of Tiki drinks. One, recipes are awfully complicated. Some you need an entire evening just curled up by the fire to get through and figure out. Juices, rums, orgeat, coconut, different simple syrups. It can be a lot. Two, they can be too sweet for a lot of people. But a truly great Tiki drink is always complex with a little bit of sweetness. The Parisian Daiquiri solves both of these problems. Only 4 ingredients, and yet it's complex, mostly due to the St Germain, which we'll be using for the first time here in the bunker. Enough talk, it's Tiki time. Chill your coupe martini or Nick and Nora glass and fill a shaker with plenty of ice. Add 2 ounces of white rum, today we're using Bacardi. Add 1 ounce of St Germaine Liqueur, delicious. Add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and then a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. We're using the Mai Tai simple syrup here in the bunker. Last, shake and strain. Let's try it. Delicious. It's got all the complexity of a lot of the classic Tiki drinks, yet only 4 ingredients. Garnish? I'd go with a little something like the second book in my sci-fi series, Before the Storms, by yours truly, Rob Perrier. Links to the book and to the drink recipe below. See you next time in the Tiki Bunker.